Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the extraction operation was not completed with the error code 0x8096002A on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now here's the thing, we have a zip file here, we're not able to open it, we're getting the error. Simple solution, go to this website called 7zip. Okay, we will download it. Okay, we'll click on the x64-bit version unless you have a 32-bit computer, which is rare these days. Click on open, click on install, and it is installed on the system. Now, right click on this file, select show more options. You'll find 7zip here. Click on 7zip, extract here. That's it. The problem has been solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.